students of class 10, Greater Noida World School. I am Bhavi.
I am Manya.
And I am Gunika.
We are the Chronicles of Vanquishers
and are here to participate
in the Technoxian Innovation Challenge
2022.
Our project name is Harfi TDS Calculator. It not only stores water but also purifies it. Now Bhavi will tell you that why we have selected this project.
As we all know that water is a precious resource and day by day it's getting depleted. So it's necessary to conserve water. As we all know that rainwater is one of the oldest and the best way to conserve and save water. Our project is unique because it not only saves water but also purifies it, which can be used for drinking purposes. Now, let us tell you about our project, the Rain for Harfi TDS Calculator. This is a rain sensor. When it is raining, it senses and displays the data in this LED displays. For example, here you can see that it showed that it is raining and also the servo motor rotated 180 degrees. This can open like an umbrella and save the groundwater as well. Now, when the rainwater is stored in this storage tank, it displays the color red, which shows that the quality of this water is poor and is not drinkable. However, when this water passes through the filtration tank, it gets purified and gets transferred into the filtered water storage tank. The color of the RGB in this tank is green, which shows that it is drinkable and the TDS level of this water is more than 500. The filtration tank consists of 4 layers: the stone, gravel, sand and cotton. After passing through the water, it gets filtered. We can also check the level of this TDS level of the water of this TDS level with our phones. If it is less than 500, it is drinkable and displays the color green. If it is medium quality, it displays the color blue. And if it is of poor quality, it displays the color red. Now, all we need is to connect our system with the Bluetooth.
Now we can check the TDS level of this water.
The advantages of this project are that this water can be used in garden and various household activities.
This not only saves water but also purifies it, which can be used for drinking.
Do you know, Bhavi, that why this project is unique? It is unique because we can check the TDS of the purified water remotely by sitting in our home, by using our smartphones and by sitting at our homes. And we can check that whether this water is drinkable or not, and that would be safe for our drinking purposes also.
We hope you like our project. Thank you.